Alright, so now we're going to go into our right hand turn. So the right hand turn is going to be done from the 5 count. So the left hand's was the first 1, 2, 3, 4, and the right hand is going to be the 5, 6, 7, 8. So starting off, you would start off with your basics. So you would do a 1, 2, 3, tap on that 4. Then on 5, you're going to open up your right foot, and that's going to come out. So this is going to be the start of the right hand turn. Then on that 6, you're going to swing your left foot around into 180. So now you're going to be facing the back. And then on that 7, you're going to swing the right foot back around. So now you're facing forward, and your left foot should be pointing out. And then on that 8, you're going to finish bringing it in. So now you're tapped on that 8 again. So a little bit faster now, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, tap. Come out on that 5, turn around 6, swing it around 7, and then tap on that 8. So at full speed now, it's going to look something like this. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.